So the length of the fabric I'm making use of is 5 inches long. Okay, you can use something more than this. All right, use of 5 inches for the length. Then for the width, I just cut out a long pieces of fabric. Okay, you know this box pleats do consume a lot of fabric. Okay, so I just cut out something very long, and I'm just using this for the illustration of this tutorial. Okay, so I should be having about 45 inches in total. Yes, 45.5 inches in total. Okay, and I cut out 2 pieces of it. I would just be using the same material as in place of a lining. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll join them together, the wrong side facing each other, then I'll measure half an inch. I'll be sewing that down. I'll be sewing that down to the end of the fabric. Okay, so I'm turning over the fabric to the right side of the material. Okay, and then the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be measuring out 4 inches for the length of the box pleat. So I'll be measuring that from this starting point down to the end of the fabric. Okay, then later on I'll be cutting out the excess. All right, so the next thing I'm doing, I measured half an inch from the starting line. Then from that half an inch, I start measuring 2 inches gap each. Okay, I said I'm measuring inches down to the end of the material. Now at the end of the material, I'll also be leaving out half an inch. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is from that half an inch, I'll be folding the fabric to meet the first 2 inches that I measured. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. Then I'll stitch it a little bit. Then you can see the other 2 inches gap. I'll also be folding that part to meet with the first 2 inches that I folded. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. You can see, and you make sure they join each other. The 2 folds join each other. So after sewing a little bit, you stop. You take the next 2 inches again. You can see the marking. You fold it again. You fold it again. You see, to meet another 2 inches. You see, then you fold the next 2 inches again to meet with the other folded part of the 2 inches. Just watch what I'm doing and you will understand it. Okay, so this is it, and this is how the box pleat looks. You can see how beautiful it looks. Then I'll be trimming out the excess part later. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.